In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the no audio issue here in Clash Royale. For more videos like this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale guides just like this. But first things first, if you're having no audio here in Clash Royale, here's how you can go ahead and fix that in just a few taps. Firstly, go ahead and load into Clash Royale, and from the main page, click on the three lines up in the top right corner. It's going to pull up a few different options. Go ahead and open up settings, and from here, there's going to be an audio option just above the change name section. Simply go ahead and select it, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks something like this. Now, if you're having issues with no audio here in Clash Royale, chances are your audio is simply turned off. Simply go ahead and tick these two options on. And what this is going to do is not only turn on the sound effects, which is going to keep like in-game actions like battle sounds active, but it's also going to turn on your music. You can also fine-tune these sliders, so if they're all the way down, just simply make sure that they are turned all the way up, just like so. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But once you're done adjusting the settings to the point where you would like, simply go ahead and click on these X's just like so, and then you're good to go. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more helpful Clash Royale guides. And we hope to see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace.